Hello and welcome to this video. The diagram shows a quarter circle with centre O and two semicircular arcs with diameters OA and OB. Calculate the ratio of the area of the region shaded grey to the area of the region shaded black. This was taken from the UKMT Hamilton Olympiad 2010, and if you would like to give it a go, make sure to pause the video now. Now we're going to go through it. Right, so we can label the areas. So we can label the white ones as X, the grey as Y, and the black one as Z. Now we can work with it better. And we can also give the length AO 2 centimeters. Now we can create a pair of simultaneous equations using our equations for a quarter circle and semicircles. So the semicircle OA has a radius of half 2, which is just 1, and the area for a semicircle is pi r squared over 2, so its area would be pi over 2. And in terms of what we label that area, that would be x plus y equals pi over 2. Now there is also the area of the whole quarter circle, and that would be pi r squared over 4, but this time the radius is 2, so it would be 4 pi over 4, which is just pi, and in terms of our areas it'd be 2x plus y plus z equals pi. So we have our two simultaneous equations. Now what we can do is we can do equation 2 subtract equation 1, and this would lead to the y's cancelling out, and 2x take away x is x, then 11 cancels to z, so it would be x plus z, and then pi take away pi over 2 would also be pi over 2, giving us x plus z equals pi over 2. So now essentially we have 3 equations, and as we can see, equation 1 and 3 have the same result, meaning that they are equal. So we can do x plus z equals x plus y, and what we see here is that x is on both sides, so it can be cancelled out, leaving us with z equals y. And those are the areas that we want to find the ratio for, and as they are equal, the ratio is just 1 to 1. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.